Hello and welcome to my channel Clip Next, and in this video I'm going to show you need to install this device in your Tesla right now, and I tell you why. Our Tesla is equipped with many safety features, there is no doubt, and the surveillance cameras to monitor, but there is no indicator, just like this one right here. And since there is no indication of the safety alarm, it will attract many thieves to break into your car or vandalize it. But there is no indicator, just like this one. So, this device is actually indicating that there is some kind of safety device or alarm installed in the car, and it will deter the thieves or robbers from vandalizing your car or breaking into car. So let's get into detail. I ordered two of them for both of my Teslas, and let's check it out. How does it look? And I'll explain all the features. So very simple packaging. It has the device and adhesive tape so you can install it very easily. I have the link in the description if you like to check it out. And this one is solar powered, so there is no batteries required whatsoever. And it has this charging port and on off switch. And it contains a high efficiency solar cell, so no charging is required as well. And you can charge with the micro USB if there is no sun for many days. Otherwise, it will keep charging itself. And it's cute tiny device which is very discreet so no one will notice it's there. And let's turn this on, and when it is dark it lights up, and it will not light up in the daylight. So this is a very good feature, so it will conserve all the energy for the night time when it's needed the most. And I have ordered the other one. Let's see what color this one it is. So this one is in red color. As you can see, it flashes and it has a very powerful LED light. Now when I turn on the light, it will stop flashing, and when I turn off the light it starts flashing. So it will conserve the energy during the day, because you don't want the light to be turned on during the daytime because it is not meaningful. And but you can do so, you can put a dark paper over it, then it will also blink in the daytime if you want to, but it is perfect for nighttime. And this is a very powerful LED light, you can see from the far distance. So this will definitely keep the thieves away from your car, thinking that there is some kind of security device or alarm installed. And it's a very strong indicator that you need to have for your Tesla. So here I have installed it in my car, and as you can see, the LED light is flashing. So this will deter the thieves. Actually, we're making them fool by installing this device, that making them think that the car is equipped with a security alarm and it might go off if they try to break into your car. So this is a very important and necessary safety device that you must have in your car, any car, not just Tesla, but any car. So I hope you find this review helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.